Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I got something fun. I'm going to be building a engine lift, motorcycle lift, whatever you want to call it. It's mainly built for motorcycles. You put it underneath the frame. It's got 2 points where it jacks up the frame nice and evenly, and also has some tight iron points. So when you have the bike up in there, the bike doesn't want to tip over. However, this thing can be used for removing an engine out of a bug or transmission or whatever you decide to use it for. It doesn't have much lift height capability. It only goes up maybe 10 inches or so, but that's enough for something like this, just enough to get the engine out. It's not something you're going to use for a full body bug, but in my case you can definitely use it for a Baja. What's nice about this is it will keep it balanced, because now you're lifting from 2 points on the car, not one. Okay. It could also be used to lift the frame if you wanted to. I think this thing will hold 1,500 pounds. So, you know, if you're not lifting the whole car off the ground, definitely will do it. Okay. So it's a fun little project. Check it out. It even comes with a nice little roll-around seat. So, anyways, this is a power lift unit. Harbor Freight sells these. It's a nice little unit. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but anyways, my dad had it in his barn for a few years now. Never used it. Basically, the only thing wrong with it is the box rotted away from water. But other than that, the lift is still in great condition. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box, or what's left of the box, and parts, and bolt this thing together and see what we have. Alright guys, remember to check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, I have a link down below for some cool merch. I got some hats, got some beanies, some masks, sweatshirts, shirts. So I've got some you know, sort of variety of clothes and whatnot. Check it out. Be, you know, big help to my channel if you could support me in any way. And remember to, guys, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Check it out, guys. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in this box. Obviously it's not a box anymore. But you do get 4 tie-down straps, okay? These tie-down straps come with one of these quick ties. So they're cool if you know how to use these. You just put them through the hole, tighten it up, and then you got something to tie off to give you a little more length, and also a soft tie to go around your handlebars, okay? Comes with 4 tie-downs. Obviously it comes with a jack that's going to go on to the lift. It comes with a bench, okay? This is a little storage compartment where you put tools in and whatnot. These holes here, and I'll show you in a little bit how I put this together. These holes are for the wheels, okay? Comes with the jack or cylinder for the bench. Comes with a seat. Now this is to lift and lower the seat, okay? Obviously I push the button in the middle and the seat will go up and down. Moving on, it's got 5 wheels for the seat. And then moving on, obviously it'll come with a set of directions. I'll show you how to put the chair together. Also, it'll show you how to put the lift together, okay? Like I said before, this is a power lift, model ML1502. Harbor Freight carries it. Okay, this is the pedal for the release on the jack here, the cylinder. Here's a little handle to move this whole unit around. Moving on, I'm not quite sure what this is for. We'll figure it out as we go. Looks like probably some sort of stand or something to block this up. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay, and obviously here's the lift. It comes with 2 pads. These pads actually go underneath the frame of your motorcycle, but in my case, I'm going to use it underneath the engine. I might even use this on my dirt bikes to do repairs on the dirt bike and whatnot. It does come with some locks here, so as it goes up, it gets locked and it won't go back down. I guess I was wrong. It's got a little bit more than 8 inches of travel. Right now that's about 8 inches. Keep going, it's probably got, that thing's maxed, so about 12 inches of travel should be enough to get an engine out of a car. However, you do have to jack the car up if you have a full body car, okay? It does come with a box of parts, and I think these are mainly the wheels and just some odds and ends, nuts and bolts. Yeah, it's a package of wheels for the front and the back. Actually, here's the wheels for the back. Jack handle stuff to probably tighten things down, not quite sure. I am missing one of the bolts for the jack, but I do have some nuts and bolts I'll pick through and find what I need. So, pretty straightforward project, guys. We're gonna go ahead and just dive right in. I think I'll probably start with the wheels just so I can move it around and make it mobile. And then we'll start putting the cylinder on. The cylinder goes here, from here to this little point here, okay? Handle will go down here, and pretty straightforward. It looks like wheels will probably mount right here. The swivel wheels, and then the small little round, not round, but just the single wheels will go here. So let's go ahead and get it going, guys. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with these 2 back wheels. They're just metal wheels. Going to go on to this bolt and this bolt. I went ahead and got some other washers to make up the difference in this gap, because I like the fact that this wheel would be moving back and forth. I just want it somewhat solid in there. But you don't want it too tight that it's going to bind in here, okay? But you want it enough to where it's just not going to move all over the place. So first thing we're going to do is take this nut off. Now your box may or may not have that nut already installed. So I didn't get it on video, but this is the screw that I tightened in. It was sticking out almost 3/4 of an inch. Sucked it into about a 1/2 inch, put this guy on it, and then I sucked it in a little bit more. It's sitting about 3/8 away from this body to the bottom side of the head. Okay, so just so you're aware of what I did there, and it was off camera, but now you're able to see it. Alright, so we have this pedal here that's got to go onto the cylinder. There's a hole right underneath here, slides right in, okay? Go ahead and take this nut out. I'm going to slide it through that hole and put the nut back in, okay? Let's get a different view so you can see exactly what I did there. I almost forgot, guys. These are stoppers, okay? You put them in here, and once they get screwed all the way into the ground, makes it to where this won't move once you have it in the location where you want it. So, put them straight here. Okay, so right now it's moving. Screw those in. You can obviously move it, but it's not on the wheels anymore. Those wheels are off the ground. Okay? And then of course, the handle. Okay. All in all, it's not a bad little kit. It's gonna do what I need to do. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, so I was just lucky that my dad was just getting rid of his, and here it is. Alright, let's see if it fits underneath the car. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. I got that lift, motorcycle lift, I guess you want to call it, fully built. Pretty easy build, guys. A nice little lift. Hopefully I can use it for some projects around here. Looks like Night Owl's actually a little bit low for it in the rear, but I'm sure I could squeeze it in on the side, or figure out a place to use it. Anyways, it's a good lift. Just wanted to thank you guys for joining me on this project. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit me up on the next video, guys. Remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one.